Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we do have a nice little low, high, low, so we definitely do know that the structure is down based on that. Now, based on other dollar pairs, I think we are going to end up making a move down. The question really is this going to be like an ABC pullback to the last move up, meaning that it's going to make a new high and then eventually go up like that? Or is this going to turn into like a 1, 2, 3, go down and give us a weekly time frame break of structure, proving that this is not an uptrend on the weekly and it actually is turning into a downtrend? So either way, we would be trading it exactly the same on sort of time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now this is where it can get a little difficult because on the 1 hour it looks impulsive, it looks very corrective, it looks like it potentially could go up again, making more of a proper ABC pullback before it actually continues down. But because of my higher time frame analysis, I am definitely only looking for shorts. I would be looking to go short at all these little peaks right here. I wouldn't really be looking for longs right now. And the problem with assuming that this is going to go up and do this is that it's very counter trend. And oftentimes you're going to think that it's going to go up on the 1 hour, but on the higher time frames, it's definitely down. And it goes up a little bit, and that makes a lower high and just shoots right down, and potentially you end up losing a long position and you end up missing the short position that would have paid the bills. Now, if this is an ABC correction, I think the bigger place to really pay attention to is the 100% Fibonacci extension of the first wave projected off the top of the second wave. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.